This is Dennis.
Hi.
And up there is the beehive we're going after. That hive is a good 20-some feet up there. But we got a plan how we're going to get it down. I don't know if we're going to be able to video it.
We're going to catch them.
But we're going to get them down. So here's the plan. We've got 2 ladders set up. That's right. And Dennis is going to get on one ladder.
The short one, because I'm the tall guy.
Right. And he's going to cut the beehive down while I'm going to catch it in a bag. What possibly could go wrong?
Nothing. Nothing.
There's Dennis up on his ladder, trimming the tree a little bit. And now we're going to go get the bees.
That was awesome. All right, here, you need one of these.
All right, there we go. We got our bees.
That was it.